Hello friends, do you want to convert this image into something like this? Do you want to change the background as quickly as possible? So let's start. Here we go. So in this image we have a definite color, so we will use color range to select that. So now we use color range, we are picking that violet color. So it is not working, so we will use the plus icon from the eyedropper. Now that's working. See here, the white part which is shown is what we are selecting. So you have noticed that some parts of that subject is also selected. Here we are selecting the background, not the subject. Okay, so first we need to remove that selection from the subject using quick selection tool. Close L2 when it shows minus, then do it. Now it's done. But now we have selected the background, not the subject, so we need to inverse our selection using inverse. Now we have selected the subject. Click that mask icon. It is non-destructive. We can modify this selection anytime. Hold shift and click on that mask icon, black and white one. Now you can see this is what we have selected. The white part is something that we have selected. So you can see some black portion are there. So we need to paint over this white section, pure white, so that our selection should be fine. We need to select brush, select black and white down there, paint over the white section, totally white, so that our selection will be clean, neat and clean. Take your time, don't panic. This is the most important part of selection. So hold your brush and do it slowly. Okay, as soon as you do that, again hold shift and click on that mask icon to get back the original image. Boom, we are done. Now if you want to place this image on any background, take it directly to another image, place over there. If you want to do something creative, use the blend mode present there. Make it look attractive like this. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. It will be appreciated if you hit that like button and subscribe to this new channel.